So tell me, did you get your house blocks done? All 5 of them. Do you know what comes next? Hey everyone, Kristen Somm here, and we are continuing our work with the Clear Blue Tiles project. So like I mentioned, on the Clear Blue Tiles project, inside of the Clear Blue Tiles Essential Set, there is a USB stick, and on that USB stick is the table runner, and that's what we're working on together. So yesterday we started with the houses. We did all of our cutting before that, and now we're doing the houses. So some are still out of town, I know, so we're doing this at a very relaxed pace, but there are 5 houses. That means 1 hooping for each house, or you can combine them together. I saw one gal in our group did that. You could easily do that. I've shown lots of videos on using Sew It Pro embroidery software to combine, so you could do that. This one you'd have to really pay attention and make sure to get both sets done, because you want to basically put down your fabric, put down the stitch, and then flip it and trim it and the whole bit. There's a whole little tutorial on the houses. And next, you know what comes next? Next we're going to work on the trees. So the trees, we're going to use the 2 fabrics. So it's actually 1 fabric, but the different cut sizes. So tree piece 1, I think this is probably going to be our trunk of the tree, and all the other ones are the same size, so it really doesn't matter. And all the cut instructions are in the previous video for the trees, but I can tell you also right here. So what was it? The white tree piece 1 is 2 by 2.5, and you need 4 of those. And then all the other ones, there's 12 pieces that are 2.5 by 4. So you saw 12 of these 2.5 by 4, and that's for our trees. And you're not backing these fabrics, they are just as is. And one thing I wanted to point out too is yesterday when we did the house blocks, these are your houses. You can do them however you want to. I decided to do mine more of a scrapbooky feel. And so some people are doing all of the house parts the same design, and that is super cute too. The only thing with doing that is then if you're using directional fabric, if you have this here and this here and this here, you want to line up those lines. So I didn't want to do that. I wanted more of a scrapbooky feel and have it be different, and that's totally my choice, totally your choice on your houses. So you can see I did the only ones that are the same blocks are the block 2, or the same pieces are piece 2 and piece 3. All the rest are different. And I've seen it done both ways, and it looks really cute. So it's up to you, whatever you think looks best for your house blocks. So this was yesterday's challenge, is to get the 5 house blocks done. And now we're going to do the trees. And the trees, there are 4 tree pieces that we're going to do. So that's 4 hoopings, or you can group them all together if you wish, but we're going to make 4 trees today. So I had a couple of questions on the sheet that I made. This is just a JPEG. So it comes on the USB stick, the directions, and then I just added some information to mine. And that is, I did a screenshot so that you could use it. If you do a screenshot on your phone, then it makes it so that you can zoom in and do whatever you want to do. Or you can save it as a screenshot and send it to your printer. So whatever works for you. It is a JPEG file. It's not a PDF. This is just the one that has my additions. And I made these additions. The important one, like I said yesterday, is the project batting. We're going to use project batting instead of the sticky thing that they had said in the directions. That was just a mistake. So the project batting by Kimberbell, and in our hoop we're using the ultralight mesh cutaway. So nice, easy, no other stabilizers. You're not backing your fabrics or anything like that. But basically for the directions that I made, all I did is I added the size so that I could figure out what fabrics go with what. And you can see that on the cut video. There's specifically a cut video so that you know which pieces to cut. And for me, it helped to know the size to be able to know which ones are meant to go with what. And then I wrote the size or the fabrics, and I'm using the winter kit. And you know what's really cool? I assumed that when we all ordered the winter kit that they were all going to be the same, and they're not. And it's really cool to me that I'm seeing that there are very small differences. So some people have, I have, mine's light blue with white dots for snow, and I've seen some that are white with or gray. I think I saw gray, and I've seen a few different variations of these same fabrics in different colors. And to me, that's so fun. It's very custom. You know, we've all got our own little blocks for our table runner. So this is going to be really fun. So we did the houses, and those are super quick and easy. Don't stress that you're behind if you're still out of town and you're watching this going, wait, just slow down. Don't worry. The blocks are super fast. And like I said, we're doing this at a very relaxed pace. We're not rushing through it at all. So moving on to the trees, we're going to do the 4 tree blocks. And then on the next video, we'll, I think, start putting it together. I think that's the next step. So I haven't really read ahead. I'm learning this as I go, just like you guys. And I've already seen some completed, which is so funny to me. Like, they cut out their fabrics and got so excited to start putting them together. And it's funny to me because I feel like I haven't seen you guys in so long. Like, we haven't done a group project since Candy Cane Lane, because everybody was busy with Christmas. And so I get that excitement. I get that whole feeling of, oh, I want to do more. But slow down. There's people that are still out of town trying to get home, and delayed flights and canceled flights even. We were lucky. Ours was only delayed by a few hours. So, but anyway, people are off doing fun things and trying to hurry back to get doing our clear blue tiles project together. So anyway, so we are going to continue, and we are going to do the trees. And so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I forgot to mention that you will also need your tree background pieces. That's, for mine, it's the light blue with white dots on it. And like I said, the tree trunk, which is piece 1, and then all the other tree pieces. So like I said on the houses, I highly recommend putting them in order. Get one little stack of all 12 pieces for the trees, and that makes it go so much quicker and so much easier than having to check the directions. If I recall, number 1 is the trunk, and that one will be right side up. All the others will be right side down, and then it is 2, 3, 4, 5, on and on, but 4, 7, and 10 are the ones that are the tree pieces, and all the others are tree background pieces. So just get them in order of the order that you're going to use them, 1 through 12, and you can see on the photo of the tree that shows the order that they're going to stitch, and that just makes it so easy to get these all done correctly in the right order and trimming and so on. So this is going to be fun. Let's go ahead and get started. there we go. 4 little cute tree blocks all done in the time of less than 1 Hallmark movie. So let me know when you get your 4 blocks done. Share a photo in the Kristen Creates group. There are links, as always, under the video to our sponsor, to our Kristen Creates group, to the coupon code. And by the way, My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, our sponsor for this project, they have extended the coupon code. So if you're seeing these videos and kicking yourself for not joining in, there's still time. And they got some more clear blue tile essentials kits in as well, and they are extending the coupon code. So if you haven't joined in yet, there's still time. Join in the fun project. So on the last video, I asked you what you got for Christmas. You have to look in the comments on the yesterday's video, the house video. The gifts that people got were amazing, super awesome, fun gifts. So if you haven't told me yet, I want to know what you got for Christmas. And I also want to know, did you make a list? Did you tell your husband or partner what to get for you? I'm doing that next year. So I got socks. Cute little pink socks, which tells me he was thinking about me. Hubby got me pink socks, and they're aloe infused, and they're pink with little hearts and a little kitty. So cute, right? Next year I'm making a list. That's not gonna quite cut it. Very nice that he thought of me, but next year, thread, fun projects, designs. They're magnetic hoop. I think we all should put on our list next year, magnetic hoop. So lots of fun ideas, and we'll go over it more next year as we get close to Christmas, because I'm telling you, lists are a good idea. I'm making a list next year. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. I get a lot of questions of, has the video been released yet? And yes, and you will know, because if you're subscribed, you'll get an email telling you, click here, here's the latest video. So you can stay up on our group projects together and find out what's coming up next. Spring showers.